Good morning friends. This is series of lecture for T.Y.B.Sc analytical chemistry semester 6 student. The course of the subject is CH611A and the chapter we are going to study is chapter number 6, flame emission spectroscopy. Now in this chapter we have already learned about the principle, instrumentation and some part associated with the measurement system for flame emission spectroscopy. Now the method of analysis, the topic we are going to study is the method of analysis. Now what are the methods which are useful to measure the intensity, to measure the analysis? Now here alkali metals, alkaline earth metals and rare earth metals are quantitatively determined by flame photometry. There are the three methods. Now here quantitative means what? How much the amount is present in the particular sample, that is a quantitative estimation. And here alkali metals, alkaline earth metals and rare earth metals or elements that are determined quantitatively by flame photometry. There are three methods. First is calibration curve method, second is standard addition method, and the third one is internal standard method. Now in the calibration curve method, series of standard solutions are prepared. An unknown sample, or you can say unknown standard solution, unknown solution is prepared along with the blank. There is a blank solution, or you can say solvent solution. Now here their intensity is measured in flame photometry and a graph is plotted. That is nothing but the calibration curve method. The second one is standard addition method. In that standard addition method, a standard substance, its concentration is get multiplied, and unknown solution, in that unknown solution this standard substance is added with multiple concentration, and finally a graph is plotted. That is a standard addition method. And the third one is internal standard method. This internal standard method consists of a series of preparation of standard unknown solution using a standard, that is a lithium, whose concentration is kept constant thoroughly, and a graph is plotted. That is internal standard method. We will focus in next 3 lectures, including this lecture. These are the measurement system or method of analysis which gives the graph by calibration curve method, standard addition method and internal standard method. The first method we are going to study is that calibration curve method. Now in this method, standard solution of known concentrations are prepared along with the sample or test solution. Now here standard solutions means what? Whose concentration is exactly known, and we know the exact concentration of a particular solution. That solution is called as a standard solution. And in this method, a standard solution, that is series of standard solutions are prepared. At least 4 standard solutions are prepared for this analysis. Now here in this method, standard solutions of known concentrations are prepared along with a sample or test solution. Now test solution is nothing but a solution whose concentration is exactly not known, or you can say unknown. That is a test solution or sample solution. Now here at least 4 standard solutions are prepared by dissolving known quantity of the salt of a particular element. Now we know that for a solution to be prepared, we prefer a solvent, and that solvent is nothing but the salt of the particular metal or solution. It is a solution which is prepared from the salt of particular element. For example, if we want to determine the calcium, then we prefer a solvent, that is calcium chloride. If we have to determine the potassium, then we prepare a potassium chloride as a solvent or as a solution. The absorbance of the standard solution along with the test or sample solution with respect to blank at a particular wavelength lamp of a respective element is recorded against a concentration of solution. Now here we are going to determine the absorbance, and that absorbance of in the form of intensity. absorbance of the standard solutions along with the test or sample solution with respect to blank solution. A blank solution is nothing but a solution which is used for the solution purpose. It is also called as a solvent. Now it is determined at a particular wavelength lamp of a respective element. So every element has its own wavelength, and we determine that we just take this wavelength for the determination. So absorbance of a standard solutions along with a test or sample solution with respect to blank solution at a particular wavelength lamp of respective element is recorded against a concentration of a solution. So here we get the nature of the graph like this. Here the intensity is placed, here the concentration is placed. Now here this is, you can say, a line which is drawn or from the which goes from the origin, and origin, if the line goes through the origin, then we have the equation, line equation, y is equal to mx. So simply here y is nothing but the point on this y axis, x is nothing but the point on the x axis, that is the concentration. To calculate the concentration of unknown or unknown solution or test or sample solution, we just put that unknown value which is obtained from the instrumentation, that is a flame photometer, on y. It is replaced by the y. So put absorbance value in place of y. We know the value of m, that means slope, we get the value of x, as x value indicates the value of unknown concentration. So this is all about the, we can say, calibration curve method. So you have to remember that in calibration curve method, a series of standard solutions are prepared. So series of standard solutions are prepared, at least 4 solutions we select. So now at least 4 standard solutions are prepared by dissolving known quantity of salt of a particular element, and series of standard solutions along with the test or sample solution with respect to blank solution is identified for the particular element. So we just draw the graph, plot the graph, and we get the nature of the graph like this. So with this content I conclude this lecture. Thank you very much for your patience listening.